That's a good. It's Josh of Bond on Fishing, and we're on an adventure. We're leaving home sweet home, Sebastian, Florida, and we are heading to Stewart. We are going down to see family, and we are gonna take you guys this evening on a kingfish run. We're gonna go out. My brother-in-law, he's a commercial kingfisher down there, and we're gonna go out and play. We're gonna show you guys a little crazy action, try to get into some bottoms, tops, all depends. The goal, kingies. We're gonna load up on some kingies, some bangers, boys. So we're making the trip down there. It's about an hour to get there, so we got everything loaded, and once we're down and ready, I'll get with y'all. You stay tuned, baby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it. Got my brother-in-law Brandon with us. Going out, gonna do some kinging. Get on some kingies. You know, it is a little windy at the moment, but you know, the goal is to kind of have more of an evening into a night bite. So this is your famous sand spread park here in Stewart, Florida. So we're leaving out now. We're gonna get after it, get on some bait, and I'll get with you guys then. Let's do it, baby. You. Get some bait, go find a spot, post up, and do it, baby. Game time. Make it happen. All right, here we go. First bait spot. A little chuggy.
Oh yeah, halfway down there already right.
Oh, we're on. Oh, on. Oh, full rack. Better get it up.
Oh yeah,
better get it up. Eee. Full stack, boys. Look at that thing.
Hey, Bon, any of them that are bleeding, just
there we go. Yeah, man.
Any of them are dinged up.
I'm gonna set these dudes in. Let him drop. Down. Drop it down. Oh. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. Tell you what, them R&R sabikis. Wee, doggy. Got us some goodies. Ow. Spot number 3. Lining. Oh, we got a full-blown giggity, boys and girls. Oh no. Oh no, we only got 2 left.
Right on the way out?
Yeah. It don't feel good when you get them in your hand, boy. Alright, we are at our first spot, making a drift. B's getting one out right now. We're gonna drop one on the fatty and get after it. Well, folks, big old sail just came up and dumped us. And here we go. Oh, how sick. Oh, on it, baby. Yeah. epic, you guys. Out here doing a thing. Just so happened, sail. Oh, that's a decent one. Came right up and walked it. Oh, how cool. Oh, it's got some sauce there. Oh, if you guys could see her, she's gonna make another breach. This is sick. Oh, she's turning the whole boat. We're just getting started, guys. We got so much bait. She's giving in now. I get her up close. I'm gonna have you yeah. Epic, guys. Sailfish at sunset, one of my favorites. Super hype, man. Stoked, brother B. We're out here doing the thing. Oh, oh, she's going under. She's going under. Oh. There she is. Did you get a good shot at her right there? Huh? Seeing her jump. Come on, baby. It's a decent sailfish. Definitely a decent sailfish. There we go. All right, she's coming in. Coming in. There she is. There she is. Oh. Oh, baby. All right, B, I'm gonna bring her that way. Yeah. Here, you go ahead and fight with her and I'll get her situated. Come on. So we can grab her. She ain't ready yet. Alright. Check it out. Angle it up a little bit towards me. Like, there you go. Phew. Alright, boys and girls. That was a sail. I'm gonna get a release on her right here. Super epic. Woo! How sick. Super epic. Alright, let's get back at it. Now it's time to back to commercial, boys. Head off on. Whew. After that fight, dude, super sick. Good release. She's off doing her thing. We are going to retie, bump to another spot, and keep going. Let's do it, baby. All right, boys and girls, here we go again. That was epic. Let's see what happens this time. God, that drag buried. Keep that thing swimming down. There we go. He says that's a catfish. How sick is that? Another sail, boys and girls. Ew. Oh, she is ripping. She's about to jump in the sunset. Smoking that beyond braid. That's a good sailfish, dude. Oh, I'll really put the beans on it now. Wow. Oh. Busted, but how sick, dude. You too, number 2. I think we just pulled the hook, got the hook back. So that was epic. Check it out. So hook's just pulled. In luck, still got everything. She's super gone, healthy, happy, swimmed away, and super epic. Let's keep going, baby. You. Boys are double hooked up. B's got a nice king. Just threw in the boat. Oh, we got a dogger on here. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh yeah, it's the, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a big one. Right here. Right here. There she comes. Yes, baby. Dog. Yeah. Give me some. That's epic, boys. Alright, boys and girls, we are about wrapping things up. It was epic session. We got commercial standpoint, you know, we did okay. We got a few kings in the boat. That was super sick, but we landed one sail and got another sail on. That was awesome. Quick little trip, you guys, out here, just, you know, doing a little family time, doing what we love. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.